Building blocks to gospel chops. Number 3. If you haven't guessed it, I'm talking about paradiddles. Now, this necessarily isn't a gospel chop, but it's like a gospel fusion chop, all right? It's a Vinnie Colaiuta, Steve Gadd type deal, all right? And the foundation of the whole vibe of it is the paradiddle, all right? And you build on the paradiddle with, different strokes, 6-stroke rolls and combinations between the hands and the feet and throwing all type of stuff in there, all right? So let's get into this paradiddle. This paradiddle is cold-blooded. If you're not familiar with the paradiddle, get familiar with the paradiddle. It is, as I said, cold-blooded. All right, so starting off with a solid groove, because if you don't have a solid groove, then you're just making noise. All right, so start off with the groove, and we're going to go into the single paradiddle. For those of you out there who don't know what the paradiddle is, it's simply paradiddle, paradiddle. All right, left, right, left, right, left, left. All right. All right, real easy. Again, dynamics. Very, very important. Paramount. Very important. Dynamics. Got to have them, all right? Groove, dynamics, start off with the paradiddle. Here we go. Did you see it? Paradiddle. Paradiddle is a groove in itself. You know what I mean? But paradiddle, all right? So that's the single paradiddle, right? All right, now let's go double paradiddle on it, right? Double, 1, 2, 1, 2, diddle. All right, it's just doing double. Right? So here we go. All right, double paradiddle in there. All right, real groovy. All right, now we got this other one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do a single paradiddle and throw a diddle on the kick drum. All right. Got it? All right? Now you're going to keep it flowing. You're not going to break it. All right? So it comes up to, like it's a six strokes in there, but we're playing it over 4, so it feels kind of odd. All right, that's the groovy one right there. That's kind of, cats look at you like, man, he's sweet. That boy know what he doing. All right, so throw that one in there. Very crucial how you come out of it. All right, you gotta make sure you land on a 1. Come out with just a simple single stroke roll around the toms or something, or just some singles off of the snare. I'm doing just bagabing coming off of it. It's actually doo-doo bagabing. All right, to be technical, doo-doo bagabing. All right, so that's the building block. All right, so you playing your groove, and you're getting groovy, and you want to throw something real saucy in there. Just throw those paradiddles. All right, now, a couple of cool little things that you can do while making this lick happen. When you hit the hi-hat, go ahead and play the kick with the hi-hat. Or the Philly guys, big ups to Spanky and Frazier and all those guys, man. The Philly guys, they like to play the kick and the snare at the same time. So you get this kind of deal. Which is crazy. Sounds amazing when you getting it going, right? So that same thing, maybe playing the kick and the hi-hat at the same time, or the kick and the snare at the same time, all right? Sounds like this. Man, that's it. Again, when you practicing, man, practice the lick. All right? Don't get frustrated. I know you get frustrated and you be wanting to go nuts, go crazy, but focus on the chop when you're shedding it, all right? Let's say you're doing a faster beat. Right? Or a super fast lick. Paradiddles, man. Get with the paradiddles. Peace out.